Good day, Crime Talk aficionados. This is Scott Reisch from Crime Talk. Thanks for watching. First on the docket, was Lori Vallow once a good mother? Second, Ghislaine Maxwell on her way to New York. Third, our dumb criminal contestant of the day. Let's talk about it. Good day, Crime Talk aficionados. This is Scott Reisch from Crime Talk, and thanks for tuning in. Now, if you haven't already done so, we would ask that you hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and leave us a comment below. As you may have already noticed, we are not in the Crime Talk studio. In fact, we are on the road today, which is also the reason why we didn't have a video for you yesterday, because I brought all the really high-speed, low-drag technology and managed to be completely unable to work it. So now we're going old school. First on the docket, Lori Vallow. Was she once a protective mother? Allegations have come out as it relates to inappropriate touching by the father of Tylee Ryan, Lori Vallow's daughter. Joseph Ryan, the biological father, apparently died of a heart attack and is another one of the suspicious deaths surrounding Lori Vallow. However, when they were married or going through the divorce process, to be more specific, allegations were brought up that Tylee had been, in fact, touched inappropriately by Joseph. There was court involvement. There were social workers involved as well. And in fact, Colby Ryan, Vallow's adult son, and obviously father from Joseph Ryan, has stated that he was in fact assaulted as well. So it appears that Lori Vallow actually told therapists that death was worse than having Joseph Ryan involved with her family. But also at this time, this is back in 2008, during this time period back in 2008, allegations were brought up by social workers that Lori Vallow had very extreme and dogmatic religious views relating to death and ghosts and other nonsensical things that were referenced in the report. So the question then becomes, was Lori Vallow once a protective mother, as any mother should be if there were allegations of any kind of inappropriateness being done? The question that then begs an answer is, what happened where Lori Vallow would allow her children to obviously be killed and to wind up being buried on Chad Daybell's property? Hopefully we'll get some answers here in the next several weeks when these court cases begin to proceed. Next on the docket, Ghislaine Maxwell has made her way from the comfy estate where she was arrested to a jail in New Hampshire and now in New York City. She will be staying at the same facility where her former friend / boyfriend Jeffrey was at. And don't worry, as we have the Ghislaine Suicide Watch, we are on day 6 and she is okay. And no one should be worried for her safety, although plaintiffs' attorneys for victims have said they have great concern that she will either wind up killing herself or she will be killed by someone else while in custody, as similar to Jeffrey. However, do not be concerned. The Attorney General, William Barr, has personally taken it upon himself to talk with the Bureau of Prisons chief and make sure that nothing happens to Miss Maxwell and to assure him that she will make it to her trial. We will be watching, and we'll obviously be watching very closely as to whether Miss Maxwell is released on bail or whether she will remain in custody under the watchful eye of the Bureau of Prisons. Next on the docket, let's take a quick recess. Now, for the last several weeks, we've been asking you to go to CrimeTalkSearch.com, and this is a sponsor for a background subscription service. Now, take a look at this comment that we received completely unsolicited from a viewer. They conducted a background search from Crime Talk, and what took place was that she had discovered that this boyfriend, or this gentleman that she was interested in, and he apparently was interested in her, had a history of assaulting young children. He then lied about it, but she had the proof. This is a perfect example of why everyone should have a subscription to a background check. You can go to CrimeTalkSearch.com. Yes, there is a fee. However, you can cancel at any time. And when you search a name, and you can search as many names as you would like, and you can do it anonymously while you have the subscription. And the report that is generated literally within minutes searches millions and millions of records and prepares a report. The report will include social media information. It'll have emails, phone numbers, addresses, property records, liens, bankruptcies, and most importantly, criminal background checks. Go to CrimeTalkSearch.com, sign up for your subscription. You will be glad you did. Next on the docket, our dumb criminal contestant of the day. Now, our dumb criminal contestant of the week is the church fornicating couple in Utah. And our dumb criminal contestant of the day is a gentleman from Missouri. As you can see from this video, Cedric Moore, who is 27 years old and is wanted for the assault of this minor. This minor apparently was minding his own business on the street corner dancing in Cape Girardeau, Missouri, whereupon Mr. Moore gets out of the vehicle, walks up, and basically cold cocks this individual. Fortunately, it was videotaped, the video went viral, and Mr. Moore has been identified, but not yet arrested. Now, as we always try to give you some sort of informative information regarding our dumb criminal contestant of the day. First of all, don't go around assaulting people. Second, don't do it if it's on video. And third, one could possibly assume that Mr. Moore has some impulse control issues. We know this, why? Because his background check reveals that he has a domestic violence case where he would also not only beat up minor children, he beats up women as well. So, Mr. Moore, you should probably turn yourself in because they are going to find you. And second, you need to get some anger management issues. You have impulse control issues. That's all we have for you today. Sorry for missing yesterday. Sorry for the abbreviated version today, but we are on the road, but we will still bring you updates. Thanks for watching and have a great day.